Hi everyone. Ever feel like your creativity is stuck in a loop? Like you are waiting for the right moment to start? Well, what if I told you the key is not waiting, it is doing? Today, let us talk about why creating something every single day might be the best thing you ever do. We often wait for inspiration to strike, but the truth is, inspiration usually follows action, not the other way around. When you show up every day to create, you are training your brain to get the zone faster. Just like going to the gym, creativity gets stronger with consistent reps. Whether you write a sentence, doodle something small, or record a 10-second video, those tiny efforts stack up. When you create every day, you stop obsessing over perfection and start embracing progress. You get better by doing, not by thinking about doing. Creating daily helps you find your unique voice. At first, you might mimic others, and that's okay. But over time, your style starts to shine through. Every small act of creation builds momentum. That momentum keeps you going even on days when motivation is low. And once you build that habit, it is hard to stop. So, my dear art lovers, start small. Make something simple today, then do it again tomorrow. Because the truth is, every masterpiece started with a single brushstroke. So, what will you create today? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you.